Zara loved building sandcastles at the beach with her grandma, but waves kept washing her sandcastles away. She felt frustrated and almost gave up. Grandma smiled and said, "Let's build stronger ones together." They worked carefully, piling sand higher and using shells to decorate the walls with love and patience. Each time the waves came, Zara fixed the castle with a new idea. Her hard work made it grow stronger. Zara learned that challenges teach us to be patient and creative, especially with family by your side. With every castle, Zara's smile grew wider, and her courage to try again grew deeper too. She realized that big dreams need time and effort, and that's what makes them special and lasting. Her grandma hugged her and said, "I'm proud of your brave heart and never giving up." Zara's sandcastle stood tall, shining in the sun, a symbol of her hard work and love. So kids, always remember that perseverance and teamwork help us overcome challenges and achieve our dreams.